everyone? Got a 2023-24 Honda CRV here, and if you're having a hard time getting your car to start, okay, or power up, like if you hit the button, the start button here, the power button, nothing happens. The biggest reason for that is because your remote key fob battery is probably dead. If it is dead, you can still get to the start, okay? So this key fob here, I've taken the battery out to simulate a dead battery. All you need to do is put your foot on the brake, right? Hit the power start button one time, and wait a second. And it will actually tell you here on the dash to get the remote and stick it right here on the power button. You'll hear it kind of beep, and it'll actually tell you to start the vehicle, okay? Keep it all like this, and it will power up, okay? This is a hybrid model, so it might look a little different than yours, but it's all the same, okay? Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment, and hope to see you again in another video.